Today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy PEPE Coin on Coinbase. Now for whatever reason that you want to buy it, it is a good time as ever. What you're going to want to do is make sure you have a Coinbase account, and that Coinbase account has ID verification on it, as it could stop you from buying any cryptocurrency at all. The second thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a payment method attached. It's pretty simple to add one. What you're going to want to do is go to the Pay With area, click it, then hit Add Payment Method. You can literally choose from any of these methods. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, as long as you can get money into your account. So as you can see, I have $34.73 on my account, so I'm ready for the next step. What you're going to want to do is hit the search, type in Pepe, and make sure it's the top one up here. Then what you're going to want to do is click it, and then you can see the entire Pepe meme coin. And so here, what you can do is hit this right over here in the buy section, type in however much you want to buy, and the payment method you're going to use. For this example, I'm going to be using USDC, as I use my PayPal to buy USDC. So I'm going to transfer $1 worth of USDC into Pepe. Once this is all good and set up, you're going to hit review order. And here, just keep in mind, there is a 2-cent fee. This is inevitable unless you have the membership, which I don't pay for. Then hit buy now, and it's going to say order submitted. Then once it's done, it's going to basically tell you that it worked. And then this paper check mark is going to turn into a check mark just like that, giving you a trade successful. So make sure you actually own it. Go ahead and hit my assets, and here all of your cryptocurrency should pop up. But if it doesn't, you have to hit see all. And as you can see here, I own Pepe, 97 cents worth. It's a little bit lower than the dollar because of the fees. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.